Hello and welcome to this course on growth hacking. So in this course, we will start with an introduction to growth hacking and the vital role of a marketer in driving business success. You will gain a clear understanding of what growth hacking entails and why it has become a game changer in modern marketing strategies. Next, we will dive into growth marketing via organic channels, where you will learn how to leverage cost effective methods such as SEO, content marketing, social media, and community building to attract and retain customers without heavy spending. This section will empower you to build sustainable growth by optimizing natural customer acquisition. Following that, we will explore growth marketing through influencer and social media channels. You will discover how partnering with influencer and utilizing various social media platforms can amplify your brand's reach and engagement. We will cover practical tactics for identifying the right influencer, crafting authentic campaigns, and measuring impact. Finally, we will examine growth marketing with performance and paid channels. Here you will learn how to strategically use paid advertisement, PPC campaign, retargeting, and other performance marketing tools to accelerate growth and maximize ROI. So by the end of this course, you will have a comprehensive toolkit to effectively implement growth hacking strategies across multiple channels, driving measurable business growth. So let's get started with the module 1, Introduction to Growth Hacking and the Growth Marketer Role. So let's start with what is growth hacking. So in this fast-paced world of startups and digital products, traditional marketing methods often prove too slow, expensive, or rigid to keep up with rapidly changing marketers and customer needs. Enter growth hacking, a term coined in 2010 by Sean Ellis, who sought a new kind of marketing focused on rapid experimentation, innovation, and scalable growth. Growth hacking is the practice of using creative, low cost strategies to help businesses acquire and retain customers quickly. Unlike traditional marketing, which often relies on large budgets and mass media, growth hacking is heavily data driven and experimental. It combines marketing, product development, analytics, and sometimes coding to unlock new avenues for the growth. So where the origins come from? So the term originated from the startup world, especially Silicon Valley, where companies like Dropbox, Airbnb, and LinkedIn pioneered creative hacks to drive viral user acquisition. For example, Dropbox offered additional storage space for referrals, turning their users into advocates and dramatically boosting signups. Growth hacking was born out of necessity, a mindset that embraces rapid testing, iteration, and optimization to find scalable growth levers. Then comes the philosophy. At its core, growth hacking embodies a cross functional approach that blurs the lines between marketing, engineering, and product. So it's not just about getting eyeballs, but about sustainable, measurable, and scalable growth. So the philosophy is, the first one is data over intuitions. Use analytics and metrics to guide decisions. And second is rapid experimentation. Test many ideas quickly, fail fast, and learn. Then comes scalability. Focus on tactics that can multiply growth, not just one off spikes. Then come customer centric. Understand user behavior deeply to optimize acquisition, activation, retention, and referral. So, growth hacking requires curiosity, creativity, and a strong technical aptitude, making it a distinct and highly sought after skill set in today's digital economy. So, now let's move forward and see growth marketer versus traditional marketer. While both growth marketers and traditional marketers aim to promote products and services, their approaches, mindsets, and tools vary significantly. Understanding these differences is crucial for anyone considering a career in growth marketing. So, the first aspect is the focus. Traditional marketing focus on brand awareness, positioning, broad campaigns, whereas growth marketers focus on rapid user acquisition, retention, and revenue growth. Then comes budget. Traditional market budget is often large with big media spends, whereas growth marketer budget is lean budget, cost effective hacks, and experiment. Then comes metrics. Traditional marketer metrics is like impressions, reach, brand lift, whereas growth marketer metrics is conversion rate, customer acquisition cost, CAC, lifetime value, LTV, and activation metrics. Then comes tool use. Traditional market use tools like CRM, mass media buying, content production, whereas growth marketer use analytics platforms, A/B testing, automation, and coding scripting. Then comes skill set. Traditional marketer should have skill set like communication, storytelling, creative design, whereas growth marketer skill sets are data analysis, coding, automation, marketing, and psychology. Then comes collaboration. Traditional marketer have mostly marketing team, whereas growth marketer have cross-functional team like marketing, product team, engineering team. Then comes approach. Traditional marketer approach is campaign based and the planned approach. Growth marketer approach is agile, iterative, and hypothesis driven. Then comes examples. Traditional marketer examples are TV ads, billboards, print campaigns, whereas growth marketer examples are referral programs, viral loops, and SEO optimization. So key takeaways are the growth marketer is a part of marketer, part analyst, and the part of product thinker. They don't just create awareness but engineer systematic growth engines that power sustainable business expansion. So now let's move forward and see growth marketing job descriptions overview. So what companies can expect from you. So growth marketing roles have become increasingly common, especially in startups, tech companies, and digital first businesses. A quick look at real job descriptions across LinkedIn, Indeed, and company career pages reveals several consistent expectations. So, some common job titles are Growth Marketing Manager, Growth Hacker, Growth Product Manager, Digital Growth Specialist, and Performance Marketing Manager. Whereas core job responsibilities companies look for, the first one is design and execute growth strategies across the customer lifecycle, acquisition, activation, retention, referral, and revenue. Then second come run experiments and A/B tests on channels, messaging, and product features to identify scalable growth tactics. Then comes analyze user data and funnel metrics to uncover drop-off points and optimization opportunities. Then comes collaborate with product sales and engineering team to build growth-driven features and tools. Then manage paid and organic marketing channels, including SEO, email, social media, influencer outreach, and paid ads. Then comes implement and optimize automation workflows to improve conversion rate and user engagement. Then comes track and report key performance metrics like CAC, LTV, churn rate, and conversion rates to stakeholders. So, what are the desired qualification and experience growth marketer should have? First one is bachelor degree in marketing, business, computer science, or related field. Some companies value skills over formal education. The second is proven experience in digital marketing or growth roles with measurable results. Proficiency with analytics and marketing tools like Google Analytics, Mixpanel, HubSpot, SameRush. Ability to write scripts or use no-code tools to automate process. Strong data-driven mindset and excellent problem-solving skills. Experience with A/B testing platforms. Familiarity with product management and agile methodology sub plus. Then comes soft skills. Curiosity with willingness to experiment. Effective communication across team. Adaptability in fast-changing environment. Then the growth mindset. Learn from failure and iterate quickly. So these were the job description overview, or you can say what companies expect from a growth marketer. So now let's see some skills and tools for growth marketer. So growth marketers need a unique blend of skills that combine marketing savvy, analytics thinking, and technical ability. So here is a breakdown of the essential skills and the tool most companies expect. The first one is data analysis and analytics. So why it is matters? Growth marketers rely heavily on data to identify growth opportunities, optimize campaign, and measure impact. Key skills are using analytics platform like Google Analytics, Mixpanel, Amplitude, extracting insights from dashboards and reports, knowledge of SQL for querying databases. Tools used are Google Analytics, Mixpanel, Tableau, SQL client like Beaver or PG Admin. The second is coding and technical aptitude. Then why it is matters? Because being able to implement simple scripts, customizing, tracking, and automate repetitive tasks accelerate growth experiment. Key skills are basic understanding of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, writing small scripts in Python or JavaScript for automation, working with APIs to integrate marketing roles. Then the tools they used are Chrome Developer Tools, Google Tag Manager, Python, Zapier, and many others. And the third point is marketing automation and CRM. Why it is matter? Automating email drip campaigns, user onboarding flows, and retargeting improves efficiency and the user engagement. Key skills are designing user journey and triggered campaign, segmenting audiences based on behavior, setting up event tracking and lead scoring. Tools used are HubSpot, Marketo, MailChimp, Active Campaigns, and many others like this. The fourth one is experimentation and A/B testing. Why it is matters. Continuous testing is at the heart of growth hacking to validate ideas before scaling. Key skills are designing statistically sound tests, analyzing test results for actionable insights, iterating quickly based on outcomes. Tool used are Optimizely, VWO, Google Optimize, and many others like this. And the fifth skills is SEO and content marketing basics. So why it is matters. Organic growth via search engine reduces paid acquisition costs and builds sustainable traffic. And the key skills are keyword research and on-page SEO best practices, content planning and distribution, link building tactics. Tool used are HRS, SEMrush, Google Search Console. Then come paid advertising and performance marketing. Why it is matter. Paid channels help rapidly scale user acquisition and revenue. The key skills are campaign creation and targeting, budget management and bid optimization, conversion tracking and ROI analysis. Tool used are Google Ads, Facebook Ads or Meta Ads Manager, LinkedIn Campaign Manager or LinkedIn Ads. Then comes soft skills. The first one is communication. Collaborate across teams and clearly articulate experimental, rational, and research. Then comes creativity. Think outside the box to devise unconventional growth hacks. Then come curiosity and learning. Stay updated with latest tool, platforms, and marketing trends. So now let's move forward and see typical responsibilities and KPIs, key performance indicators in growth marketing. So first we will discuss responsibilities. So growth marketers often work across the entire funnel, from attracting prospect to turning them into loyal customers. So their responsibilities are diverse and can be grouped into key focus areas. So the responsibilities are customer acquisition. Develop targeted marketing campaigns across multiple channels, including organic SEO, paid advertising, social media marketing, email marketing, and content marketing. Continuously optimize campaigns through A/B testing, audience segmentation, messaging refinement, and creative adjustment to maximize reach and conversion efficiency. Then second come activation and onboarding. So design and improve the onboarding process to help new users quickly understand and experience the product's core value. Develop in-app tutorials, welcome emails, walkthrough, and other educational content to reduce user drop-off during initial usage. Then comes retention and engagement. Create and implement retention strategies using personalized email campaigns, push notification, and in-app messages designed to re-engage inactive or dormant users. Then comes referral and virality. Build referral program with clear incentives, discounts, rewards, exclusive features that encourages user to invite others. Integrate viral loops into the product experience, making it easy and rewarding for users to share the product organically. Then comes data and analytics. Set up tracking mechanism to collect data on user acquisition behavior and engagement. Then comes collaboration. Partner closely with the product team to align growth initiatives with product development roadmaps and the feature launches. So now let's understand the KPIs, key performance indicators in growth marketing growth. First one is customer acquisition, CAC. It measures the average cost to acquire a single paying customer, calculated by dividing total marketing and sales expenses by the number of new customers acquired in the period. The lower CAC indicates more efficient marketing spend. The second is conversion rate. The percentage of website visitors or leads who complete a desired action, monitored at various funnel stages. Increasing conversion rate means improving the effectiveness of marketing messaging and UX. Then comes activation rate. Percentage of new users who reach a predefined milestones that indicates they are engaged and realize the product's value. A higher activation rate means better onboarding and user experience. Then comes retention rate, the percentage of users who continue using the products after a specific period. So high retention rate indicates a strong product market fit and satisfied customer. Then comes churn rate, the percentage of users or customer who stop using the product or cancel subscription within a period, a critical metric to monitor to prevent revenue loss. Then comes lifetime value, LTV, the total expected revenue generated from a customer throughout their relationship with the company. Then comes the referral rate. This is very important. Proportion of new customer acquired through existing customer referral reflects the effectiveness of viral and referral marketing efforts. Then comes return on ad spend, ROAS, revenue generated for every dollar spent on advertising, a key indicator of paid marketing campaign profitably. So why these matter? So tracking these KPIs help growth marketers identify bottlenecks in the funnel, justify marketing spend and initiative, prioritize high impact growth experiments. So in conclusion, the growth marketer role represents a dynamic, challenging and rewarding career path that sits at the crossroads of marketing, data science and product development. From the origins of growth hacking in Silicon Valley startups to sophisticated tool-driven roles demanded by today's companies, growth marketers are the architects of scalable, repeatable growth engine. In the upcoming modules, you will dive deeper into specific growth marketing channels, organic, influencer, social media, and paid performance marketing, building a comprehensive skill set for modern digital marketing success. So let's get started. So, in today's hyper competitive digital landscape, businesses must adopt smart, sustainable strategies to attract and retain customers without burning through massive advertising budgets. So, one of the most effective and enduring methods is organic growth marketing, harnessing free or low cost digital channels to drive traffic, build brand awareness, and foster meaningful engagement. So, in this module, we will explore the critical role organic marketing plays in growth strategies, dive into SEO fundamentals and tools, examine content marketing best practices, uncover community building tactics, and understand how to track and measure success in organic channel. So let's start with role of organic marketing in growth strategies. So organic marketing refers to any form of marketing activity that attracts customer naturally without paid advertising. So this includes search engine optimization, SEO, content marketing, social media engagement, community building, email marketing, and more. So why organic marketing matters? So these are some points: cost effectiveness, sustainable growth, quality traffic, brand authority and trust, long-term benefit. So let's start with one by one. Cost effectiveness. Unlike paid ads, organic marketing relies on creating valuable content, optimizing user experience, and nurturing relationships, which tend to be less expensive over time. Sustainable growth. Organic channels build trust and authority over time, creating a strong foundation for ongoing growth. For example, high ranking on Google generate traffic continuously without ongoing spend. Then comes quality traffic. So quality traffic is like users coming from organic channels often have higher intent and engagement since they actively search for information or solution rather than passively seeing ads. Then comes brand authority and trust. Ranking highly on search engines and engaging communities builds credibility, which impacts purchasing decisions positively. Then comes long term benefits. Unlike paid campaigns that stop generating leads when budgets end, organic strategies compound over time and often have a long lasting effect. So, now let's see organic marketing's role in the growth funnel. So, the first one is awareness. Blog posts, social shares, and SEO help potential customer discover your brand. Then comes consideration. Content such as guides, reviews, and case studies educates prospect and build trust. Then comes conversion. Optimize landing pages and calls to action guide visitor to sign up or purchase. Then comes retention. Email newsletter, community forums, and social group keep user engaged and encourage repeat visits. Then comes referral. Active communities and brand advocates generate word of mouth growth. So while organic marketing excel at sustainable quality growth, it often works best when combined with paid marketing. Paid campaigns can amplify organic content, test messaging quickly, and fill gaps in reach. So a balanced strategy leverages both channels effectively. So now let's move forward and see SEO fundamentals and tool use. So search engine optimization SEO is the cornerstone of organic growth. It's the practice of optimizing your website and content to rank higher in search engine result pages, SERPs, thereby increasing organic traffic. So how SEO works? Search engines like Google use complex algorithms to evaluate and rank websites based on relevance, authority, and user experience. SEO aim to align your website with these factors through various optimization. So there are three types of SEO: on-page SEO, technical SEO, off-page SEO. So what is the on-page SEO? Optimizing content and HTML elements on your website pages, titles, headers, keywords, and other things. What is technical SEO? Ensuring the website is crawlable, fast, mobile friendly, and secure. Then comes off-page SEO, building backlinks from the other reputable website to boost authority of your particular website. So let's see some of the key SEO elements. The first one is keyword research, identifying what term and phrases your target audiences searches for. Then comes content optimization, creating content that addresses search intent and incorporates keywords naturally. Then comes site architecture, structuring URLs, navigation, and internal linking to help search engines and users find content easily. Then comes mobile optimization, ensuring your site performs well on mobile devices, a major ranking factor. Then come page speed. Fast loading pages reduce bounce rates and improve rankings. Then the come schema markup, adding structured data to enhance search result appearance. So these are some key SEO elements which you have to take care of when you are creating your website or when you are doing your SEO for your website or a blog. So now let's see some essential SEO tools which we can use while doing SEO of our website. First one is Google Analytics. Track websites traffic, user behavior and conversions. This is critical for understanding organic traffic performance. Then comes Google Search Console. Provides insights on how Google indexes your site, highlight issues and shows search queries driving traffic. Then comes SEMrush, comprehensive SEO platform offering keyword research, site audits, backlink tracking, and competitor analysis. Then comes Href, popular for backlink analysis, keyword research, and site health monitoring. Then comes Screaming Frog, website crawler that identify SEO issues like broken links and duplicate content. So these are some important or essential SEO tools you can use while doing your SEO. So how to use SEO tools effectively? First, to conduct keyword research with SEMrush or Href to discover high potential search terms. Second, use Google Search Console to monitor indexing errors, optimize click-through rates, and track impressions. Then analyze competitors' backlinks and content with Ahrefs. Then regularly perform site audits using tools like SEMrush or Screaming Frog to fix technical SEO issues. Then comes track organic traffic trends and user engagement in Google Analytics to measure impact. So what are the content marketing strategies and tools? Quality content lies at the heart of organic growth. Content marketing builds brand authority, attracts search traffic, educates prospects, and nurtures relationships. So what are the content strategies you can use while doing your SEO? The first one is pillar content and topic clusters. Organize your content around comprehensive pillar pages covering broad topics linked to detailed cluster articles targeting specific keywords. So this will improve SEO and the user navigation. Then comes educational and problem solving content. Produce how tutorials, case studies and facts that addresses audience pain points and questions. Then comes content repurposing. Transform blog posts into videos, infographics, podcasts, or social snippets to extend reach. Then consistent publishing schedule. Regularly publish fresh content signals authority to search engines and keep audience engaged. Then comes user generated content. Encourage reviews, testimonials, and community contribution to add authentic voices. So, what are the content formats you can explore? The first one is blog post. The second one is ebook and the white papers. Then comes webinars and videos. Then comes podcast. Then comes infographics, email newsletter, and social media posts. So using these formats, you can learn and do your SEO accordingly, how others are doing. So this will help you in your doing SEO. Content tools and platforms. Content management system CMS, WordPress, HubSpot, and Drupal allow easy content creation, editing, and publishing. Google Search Console identifies which content performs best in search and highlights keywords your site ranks for. Then comes Grammarly and Hemingway Editor. This will help you improve in readability and grammar. Then comes Canva and Adobe Spark. It will create visually appealing graphics to enhance content. Then comes BuzzSumo. It will analyze trending topics and top performing content in your niche. Then comes CoSchedule and Trello. It will manage editorial calendars and content workflow for you. So, what are the best practices for the content marketing or the content? First, research your audience interest and search behavior before content creation. Optimize headlines and meta descriptions for SEO and click through. Then use internal linking to guide users through your content ecosystem. Then include clear calls to action CTAs to drive conversion. Then monitor content performance and iterate based on the data. So now let's see some community building and engagement tactics. How to build your community. So building community and nurturing a community is a powerful organic growth lever that fosters loyalty, advocacy, and sustained engagement. So why community matters? It creates direct communication channels with your audience, build trust and brand affinity, encourages user engagement content and referrals, provide feedback loops for product and marketing improvements. Build trust and brand affinity, encourages user generated content and referrals, provide feedback loops for product and marketing improvement. So what are the platforms for community building? The first one is social media group like Facebook groups, LinkedIn groups, or Reddit communities. Nowadays, Reddit communities are on high peak. Then comes forums and discussion boards, brand owned forums or third party platforms like Discord. Then comes messaging apps, WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord servers for real time conversions. Then comes event and webinars, regular virtual or offline meetups to foster interaction. So what are the tactics to grow and engage community? The first one is provide value first. Share educational content, exclusive insights, and resources that attract members. Then comes facilitate conversions. Post questions, polls, and prompts to encourage participation. Third point is recognize and reward. Highlight active members, offer badges or rewards for contributions. Then moderate respectfully. Maintain a safe, respectful environment with clear guidelines. Then leverage influencers and advocates. Engage brand fans to champion the community. Then host interactive events, Q&A sessions, live demos, workshops to deepen connection. So what are the measuring community success? Membership growth rate, engagement rate, referral traffic from the community channels, and conversion rates of community members, customer feedback, and satisfaction score, which is the most important thing. So, how to track and measure organic growth success? So, the success of organic marketing relies heavily on continuous tracking, analysis, and optimization. So, without measurement, strategies become guesswork. So, the first point is organic traffic. So, these are some key metrics to track. So, number of visitors arriving via non-paid search, social, or referral sources. Keyword ranking, position of targeted keyword on SERPs over time. Then bounce rate, percentage of visitors leaving the site after being on page. Lower is better, indicating engagement. Then page per session, measures user engagement and content relevance. Then conversion rate, percentage of visitor completing desired action. Then comes backlinks and domain authority, indicators of site credibility and SEO health. Then comes social shares and mention, signals of content reach and brand awareness. Then comes community engagement, number of active users, posts, comments, and referrals from communities. What are the tools for measurement and reporting? First one is Google Analytics, the gold standard for web traffic analysis and user behavior insights. Then comes Google Search Console, monitors search visibility, indexing issues, and performance by query. Then comes SEMrush and Href. It provides keyword tracking, backlink analysis, and competitor benchmarking. Then social listening tool, Brand24, Mention, or Hootsuite track brand mentions and sentiment on social platforms. Then comes CRM, or marketing automation platform. It tracks user engagement, lead nurturing, and conversion funnels. So, what are the best practices for tracking? Set clear goals and KPIs. KPIs means key performance indicators aligned with the business objective. Use UTM parameters to track traffic sources and campaigns effectiveness. Regularly review data to identify trends, success, and areas for improvement. Combine quantitative data with qualitative feedback. Iterate with optimized strategies based on insight. So, in conclusion, organic marketing remains a cornerstone of effective growth marketing strategies, providing a sustainable and cost effective path to attract, engage, and retain customers. So, by mastering SEO fundamentals, creating compelling and valuable content, building engaged communities, and rigorously tracking performance, so growth marketers can generate continuous scalable growth without relying solely on paid channels. So the journey of organic growth is long-term but rewarding. As content and community build authority and trust, businesses enjoy consistent traffic, deeper customer relationship, and add a stronger competitive position. So in the next module, we will explore how to harness the power of influencers and social media marketing to accelerate growth and leverage paid performance marketing to scale customer acquisition efficiently. In today's digital era, social media platforms and influencers have become powerful engines for growth marketing. Brands are no longer relying solely on traditional advertisement. Instead, they leverage the audience, authentic voices of influencers, and the dynamic reach of social channels to drive awareness, engagement, and conversions. So, this modules explores the evolving role of influencer marketing within the growth marketing, dives into major social media platforms, tool for influencer identification and outreach, campaign strategies, and many more things. So, let's start with what is influencer marketing. So, influencer marketing is a strategy where brands collaborate with individuals who have significant and relevant following on social media or other digital channels to promote products or services. So, unlike traditional celebrities, influencers often have niche, engaged audiences, and are viewed as authentic and trustworthy sources. So, why influencer marketing matters in growth? The first point is access highly targeted audiences. Influencers often serve specific demographics or interest groups. So, partnering with the right influencer means direct access to potential customers aligned with your brand. Then comes drive authentic engagement. Influencer personal relationship with their followers generate higher engagement and trust than traditional ads. Then third come create viral potential. Influencer collaboration can quickly amplify brand visibility through shares, mentions, and UGC, user generated content. Then comes point boost SEO and social signal. Influencer posts and links enhance your brand's online footprints and credibility. Then comes support multi-channel growth. Influencer content can be purposed across own channel, paid ads, and organic social media. So after understanding what is influencer marketing, let's understand what is the growth marketer role in influencer marketing. So growth marketers must approach influencer marketing with a strategic, data-driven mindset. So the first point is align influencer campaigns with growth goals, such as increasing leads, sales, or brand awareness. Then second points come select influencer based on data, like audience demographic, engagement metrics, or authenticity. Then comes design measurable campaigns. So design measurable campaigns with clear KPIs and tracking mechanisms. Then comes coordinate cross-functional efforts. Coordinate cross-functional efforts involving product, content, social media, and analytics team. Then comes iterate based on result. So iterate based on result to optimize future influencer and the collaboration. So now let's move forward and see what are the social media platforms and their role in growth. So different social media platforms serve unique roles in growth marketing. Understanding each platform audience, content formats, engagement style, it can be different than the other. So the first one is Instagram. So here the audience is over 1 billion active users, skewing younger, 18 to 34 years, highly visual platform. So growth opportunities are influencer partnerships, Instagram stories, and reels for short video content, shoppable post, hashtag for discoverability. Then comes engagement style, visual storytelling, lifestyle branding, user generated content, UGC, interactive stickers, polls, and Q&A you can do. What are the use cases of this? product launches, brand awareness, direct sales via Instagram and shopping. And nowadays people are earning more with Instagram. Then second comes TikTok. The audience is rapidly growing with Gen Z and millennials dominating, known for short, creative, and viral videos. Then comes growth opportunities. Viral challenges, influencer collaborations, user participation, and native ads. Then comes engagement style. Entertaining, authentic, trend-driven content that encourages remixing and duets. Then comes use cases. Brand virality, youth-focused product marketing, cultural relevance. And the third one is LinkedIn. LinkedIn audiences are professional B2B audiences and industry leaders. Growth opportunities are thought leadership, B2B lead generation, employee advocacy, influencer partnership with industry experts. Engagement style is long form articles, professional updates, networking events, and the webinar. Then comes use cases. Use cases are B2B sales, hiring campaigns, brand positioning, and all. Then comes Twitter, and now people say it X. Audiences are news seekers, real time conversations, influencers, and the thought leaders. Growth opportunities are trend jacking, hashtags, live events, direct engagement with followers and influencers. Engagement style is short text updates, threads, polls, GIFs, and retweets. Use cases are customer service, brand voice, and event promotion. So there is one strategy called cross-platform strategy. So many growth marketers employ a multi-platform strategy tailored to target audience behavior and campaign goals, repurposing content creativity to maximize reach and efficiency. So this is called cross-platform strategy. So after seeing social media platform and their role growth, now let's jump into influencer identification and outreach tools. So the first one is BuzzSumo. So overview is content research tool with influencer identification features. And the use is find influencers who are sharing or creating content relevant to your industry or your keyword. And the feature is influencer ranking by reach and engagement, content alerts, and competitive insights. Then second comes Upfluence. Overview is comprehensive influencer marketing platform. Use cases search for influencers across platforms, manage campaigns, and track performance. Feature is audience demographics, influencer scoring, automated outreach, integrated CRM is there. Then the third come Hype Auditor. So it focus on influencer analytics and fraud detection. Use is verify influencer authenticity, audience quality, and engagement metrics. And the feature is detailed audience demographics, fake follower detection, campaign ROI tracking. And the fourth one is Tracker. Overview is enterprise grade influencer relationship management software. And the use of this tracker tool is to manage influencer networks, monitor brand mentions, and measure impact. Then comes feature, influencer discovery, workflows management, and in-depth analytics. And the fifth one is Ninja Outreach. Ninja Outreach is used for influencer outreach and prospecting tool. Use cases to find bloggers, social media influencers, and YouTubers and manage outreach campaigns. The features are email outreach templates, CRM, link building, assistance. How to use these tools effectively? Define your campaign objectives and target audience first. Use tools to filter influence by niche, follower size, engagement rates, and audience demographics. Verify influencer authenticity and audience quality to avoid fake followers or bots. Track outreach progress and communication inside the tool to stay organized. Monitor campaign impact with integrated analytics for ROI assessment. So after understanding influencer identification and tools, now let's see how to do campaign planning. Or you can say campaign planning. What is campaign planning, execution, and metrics for social growth? So the first step is campaign planning. It sets clear objective. It identifies target audience. It chooses influencers. In this step, you will, find the budget and resource. You will allocate the budget for influencer compensation. You will create a brief. You will provide influencer with campaign goals, key messages, content guidelines. And the second steps come execution. In this step, you will onboard the influencer. You will communicate your expectations with the influencer. You will create the content. You will do content creation. Allow influencer creativity while ensuring brand alignment. In this step, you will publish your content. You will coordinate timing for maximum impact and cross-channel promotion. You will do engagement. You will respond to comments. You will share influencer content. You will encourage community interaction. In step 3, there is monitor and optimization. In this step, you will track KPIs. You will use platforms analytics and UTM codes to monitor traffic, conversion, and the engagement. You will gather the feedback. You will communicate regularly with influencer for qualitative insights. You will iterate, refine targeting messaging and influencer selection based on their performance. You will repurpose consent. The last step is key metrics. So what are the key metrics to measure? The first one is reach and impression, engagement rate, click-through rate. Click-through rate is percentage clicking links in an influencer post. Then comes conversion rates, then follower rate. The important is referral traffic and sales, because website visits and purchases from the influencer links must be higher. Then comes sentiment analysis. You will measure qualitative measures of audience response. It will help gauge brand perception. This is how you can do campaign planning, execution, and metrics for your social group. So, in conclusion, influencer and social media marketing are indispensable tools in the modern growth marketer's toolkit. So, by understanding the unique dynamics of various social platforms, leveraging powerful influencer identification and outreach tools, you can work closely tracking impact through data driven metrics, growth marketers, and unlock exponential growth opportunities. So, as a digital landscape, you will continue to evolve. Mastering influencer and social media marketing will remain critical for any growth marketer looking to deliver measurable, scalable results. So in the next unit, we will learn about performance marketing. In the world of growth marketing, paid advertising, also known as performance marketing, plays a critical role in accelerating customer acquisition, increasing revenue, and scaling business growth rapidly. While organic strategies build long-term sustainable growth, paid channels offer immediate, measurable impact by targeting specific audience with tailored messaging. So in this module, you will explore the role of paid marketing in growth strategies, key platforms and tools used by marketers, best practices for campaign setups and optimization, essential performance metrics for reporting, and how to drive continuous improvement. So now let's jump into what is paid marketing. Paid marketing refers to advertising efforts where marketers invest money to promote products or service on digital channels. Unlike organic marketing, which grows audiences through free or earned means, paid marketing leverages budget to directly place ads in front of targeted users. Paid marketing is the commonly called performance marketing because every dollar spent is tied to measurable outcomes like clicks, leads, sales, or app installs. Growth marketers use paid campaigns to accelerate funnel stages, awareness, consideration, and conversion, often complementing organic efforts. So, after understanding what is paid marketing, let's understand why paid marketing matters in growth. The first point is speed and scale. Paid ads can generate traffic and conversion quickly, essential for startups and campaigns with time sensitive goals. The second point is precise targeting. Platforms offer granular targeting options based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and even intent signals. And the third point is control and flexibility. Marketers can control budget, bidding strategies, creatives, and timing with agility. The fourth point is measurable ROI. Advanced tracking enables precise attribution and optimization towards business goal. Then comes supports funnel stages. Paid campaigns can be tailored for brand awareness, lead generation, retargeting, or upselling. Then comes complement to organic. Paid boost content distribution, test messaging, and fills audience gaps that organic channels might miss. So now let's understand role of paid marketing in growth. So there are some funnel stages like awareness, consideration, conversion, and retention and loyalty. So here you can see paid marketing role. Here is reach new audience quickly. Example tactics are display ads, how we can reach, video ads, influencer sponsorship. Then comes second stage, consideration. Here paid marketing role is engage interested user with compelling offers. How to do? Example tactics are search ads, lead magnets, and retargeting. Then comes conversion. Here you have to drive purchase or signups. Example tactics are conversion optimized landing pages, cart abandonment ads. Then comes retention and loyalty. Here you have to upsell, cross-sell, re-engage existing users. Example tactics are email remarketing, personalized ads. So now let's see some key paid platforms and tools. So different platforms cater to various audiences, formats, and campaigns objectives. So growth marketers often leverage multiple platforms for maximum reach and impact. The first one is Google Ads. It is the largest search advertising platforms. Also offer display, YouTube video shopping, and app install ads. So key features are keyword targeting, audience segmentation, smart bidding, and remarketing. And use cases are capture high intent search traffic, promote brand via display. Then comes video and shopping campaigns. Then comes Facebook ads. It enables ads on Facebook or Meta, Instagram, Messenger, and Audience Network. And it is also known as Meta Ad Manager. Key features are detailed demographic, interest, behavior, lookalike audience, and multiple ad formats. Use cases are brand awareness, social engagement, lead generation, direct sales. Then comes LinkedIn Campaign Manager. It focuses on B2B platform for professional audience targeting. Some key features are target by job title, company, industry, seniority, sponsored content, email, text. Use cases are B2B lead gen, employer branding, and event promotion. Then comes Twitter ads. It promotes tweets, accounts, and trends to targeted audience. Key features are interest and keyword targeting, tailored audience, video ads. Use cases are real-time event promotion and the brand engagement. Then comes other emerging platforms like TikTok ads, it viral video focused campaign targeting on Gen Z and millennials. Then comes the Pinterest ad, it visual discovery ads for lifestyle, fashion, or retail brand. Now let's see how to set up the campaign. So the first step is define objectives. Choose campaigns goals aligned with business KPIs. Second step is select campaign type. Search, display video, social, app install, or shopping campaigns depending on goals. The third point is audience targeting. Use platforms filters to define demographics, interest, behavior, and customer lookalike audience. The fourth is budget bidding. Set daily or lifetime budget and bidding strategies. The fifth point is creative development. Design compelling ad copies, images, videos, and call to action. Then comes landing pages. Create optimized relevant landing pages that matches ad messaging and facilitate conversion. So these are the steps to set up the campaign. Now let's see what is audience targeting strategies. Categories are age, gender, location, language. Then comes interest and behavioral targeting, which covers hobbies, purchase behavior, and online activity. Then comes contextual targeting, which covers keywords, topic related to user interest. Then remarketing, target users who previously engaged with your brand or visit your website. Then comes lookalike audience, reach new users similar to your existing customer. Then comes account based marketing, target specific companies or job titles like LinkedIn do. So, what are the creative optimization best practices? The first point is use clear and concise messaging, leverage visuals, A B test creatives, match ad to audience, and mobile friendly design, which ensure ads and landing pages are optimized for mobile devices. So now let's move forward and see some key performance metrics and reporting. So tracking the right metrics is essential to measure paid campaigns, effectiveness, and guide optimization. So key performance metrics are customer acquisition cost (CAC), which is total ad spend divided by the number of new customer acquired. Why it is important? It is important to measure cost efficiency of campaign. Then comes cost per acquisition. Cost per acquisitions means cost to generate a specific action. It helps optimize spend per conversion. Then return on ad spend. Revenue generated divided by ad spend. It will indicate the profitability. Then comes lifetime value. It will guide the budget allocation. Then comes click-through rate. It is very important, click-through rate. Percentage of ad impression click. People are watching your ads, seeing your ads, whether they are clicking or they are just scrolling. If they are clicking, it is coming under the click-through rate. It will measure ad relevance and the appeal. Then comes conversion rate. It is a percentage of clicks leading to a desired action. It shows landing pages and offer effectiveness. Then comes impression, number of times ads were shown. Then comes quality score, Google Ads. Google's rating of ad relevance and landing page quality. It affects ad rank and the CPC. And what are the reporting best practices? First is use platform dashboards like Google Ads, Facebook Ads Manager, LinkedIn Campaign Manager, which provide the real-time report. Then integrate with analytics tools. Connect with Google Analytics or CRM for end-to-end attribution. Custom reports, which build dashboard focused on your KPIs for easy stakeholder communication. Then regular review cadence. Analyze performance daily or weekly and adjust campaigns accordingly. So, in conclusion, paid marketing is a vital pillar of modern growth strategies, enabling marketers to drive rapid customer acquisition, optimize conversion, and scale efficiently. Master over key platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ad Manager, and LinkedIn Campaign Manager combined with precise campaign setup and targeting set the foundation for your success. Equally critical is the ability to measure the right performance metrics and establish rigorous experiment framework. So, growth marketers who skillfully blend paid marketing expertise with analytical rigor and creative optimization will unlock powerful levers to accelerate business growth and deliver measurable, sustainable ROI. So, congratulations on completing the growth hacking course. You have taken a big step in leveraging growth hacking to enhance your marketing skills. Now it's time to put your learning into action. Try your growth hacking marketing skills into your workflows and experiment to optimize your marketing strategy efficiency. Thank you and keep learning.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Designed in collaboration with leading universities and top corporations, and delivered by industry experts, choose any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.